What a reversal here after dropping all day at the beginning half of the day on the SPY, guys. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So we had a strong bounce here at the key level of support we were watching, which was near 554, and a retest up towards the resistance that was crucial, which is 561. And yesterday we broke this all down when the SPY was sitting at around 557, 556. Now, we touched these levels, and in the second half, a bull indicator popped up at 11:45 a.m. on the SPY, and it sent it directly over to our Discord, and it has not been canceled till now at 2 p.m., and that lasted nearly over 2 hours, right? And if we go ahead and look at it here, it pushed up from around 557 to the resistance of 561, double tested, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. And you can see that full transition from the dip area to multiple rip areas, confirmation of a bull indicator, and testing that level of resistance. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description, getting connected over to our Discord and our bots, and joining the members using 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity and edge that they deserve and gain that edge within the volatility of these charts and the markets. Once again, that link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and joining the community. So the SPY tested the levels we were watching. Now we're up here sitting at around 558, and there's still several hours to go on these charts. And I'm going to break down the key levels I would watch here going into the after hours and going into tomorrow based off where we're at now. Now, we have volatility on the lower time frames such as the 5-minute and even the 15-minute, but there's a bull indicator here. So the 5-minute, yes, there's a bear indicator as we saw. It popped up, but there's still a bull indicator here at 557.61. That's going to be crucial to hold for the SPY. If that gets broken through, then comes 555 and back down here towards 554, which was the support of the day. Now, the SPY has done a full transition here on the 15-minute from the rip area to the dip area. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY on the 30-minute under a bear indicator at the 560 level. And as it came back up to it, no bull indicator popped up. So the jump was not justifiable on the larger time frame. And then when you go all the way out to the 1 hour, a bull indicator has popped up at the 559 level. So we have divergences here, right? Lower time frames under bear indicators. The 15-minute is showing a bull indicator. And then you also have the 30-minute under a bear indicator, right? So right now, on this pushback up, this needs to get canceled. And if it does, it will align with the 1 hour chart, guys. And even though it pulled back, that's why we've tried to retest, and any pullback is not justifiable based off the 1 hour because it hasn't been canceled, and it's the first one that pops up since up here at the 576 level. Now, when you go ahead and look at this from the 4 hour, we've been under a bear indicator since up here at 609, and same thing on the 1 day, right, since 603. And we still have days to go for the 1 week to close and confirm. We have 2 days to go, and this is something I started watching and I've been breaking down in our previous video. If this confirms, it's the first bear indicator that pops up since the bull indicator down here at the 538 level. that was used as a strong support after jumping up to 564, coming back to it, and continuing the run to these all-time highs over 600 and 610. And we're sitting down here fighting to hold above 550 and currently sitting at 559. So 561 is a crucial and critical resistance right now as we're below it. And then you also have these key levels that are trying to hold. So the first support, again, if we continue downside, is 556 to 555. Then comes the 554 to 553. That tight range is crucial. And then comes 550. Now, going into the after hours and going into tomorrow, it's going to be crucial to hold the support of 557. And that needs to hold and stay above here. And if it touches it, bounce off of it. And the first resistance that's crucial is 561. And if it gets broken through, the next resistance I'll be watching is up towards the 563 level. And then above that is 565, guys. So these are the key levels I'll be watching. I'm going to leave these supports and resistance here going into tomorrow's trading day to see how they hold. And if it breaks, then comes 563 and then the 560 level, and we'll have to reassess. Same thing with the QQQ. If we go ahead and look at it here, the QQQ is rejecting a crucial level of resistance, and it bounced off a strong support at the 471 level. You could see it here on our post on Twitter. It was sitting sideways here, coming downwards, tested that inflow level, confirmation of a bull indicator, and came up and slowed down here at the 479 level because those outflows were so strong and dominating here for most of the day. And it's the same thing that's happening here. That's why it's rejected and it's down here trying to hold support here in the live action. There's a bear indicator in the volatility, but there you can see it. That bounce from the support of inflows from yesterday in the aftermarket hours, and then coming up to where these outflows dominated, that dropped it down to that level. And same thing here with the SPY, right? It bounced off the support down here at 554, came up to it, and it keeps on trying to test up here towards 562. And the next resistance that we're watching is 563, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to get connected over to our bots and our 42 vision indicators and inflow versus outflow. Join the members using it to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve in the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down. And it's a great way to have further perspective over charts and learn charts along the way. We look forward to getting you connected. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.